Hi, this is Geo-Environmental Atmospheric Forecaster Andrew Fleck here in Easton, Pennsylvania, 25 miles east of Allentown, Pennsylvania, at about 4 a.m. on Saturday morning, and snow continues to fall at moderate to heavy pace. If you were following our early video, we showed you that the grass wasn't certainly covered yet, but in about an hour and a half that quite changed. We now have an inch that was officially measured here. Again, the grass is now full of snow. And as you can see through the light post here, just some more heavy snow on its way. And as I said in the beginning of last video, more is on the way.